Why to use water pressure on your drains over snaking them? When you run a snake through your pipes, the area that will be cleaned is the surface of the pipe that it touches. The snake also causes a lot of stress on the pipe. In some cases, this could cause a pipe to break or leak. When the snake reaches the clog, it will only put a small hole in the middle of the clog. The water will start to drain again with the small opening. The issue is, it will clog up again much faster. Using a high pressure water line fed into the pipe will clean the entire surface of the pipe. The high pressure water line will go through all the areas of the pipe, cleaning the complete inside surface of the pipe. When it reaches the clog, the high pressure water line will blow through the clog, completely eliminating the clog. Then the water line will continue down the pipe, cleaning the surface of the rest of the pipe. When we remove the high pressure water line, you have a completely clean drain, ready to use. Nichols Electric and Plumbing will always recommend using water pressure over using a snake.